Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will review a pen machine from CNC. The CNC Q5 is a short, portable tattoo pen with an ergonomic and lightweight design for optimal maneuverability. The CNC Q5 is professional for shading work, also perfect for lining, black and gray, and large area color packing. It's quite short and the grip cover passes over the end of the grip, and you need to be careful when covering it, not to stick together the body of the machine and the grip. And as you can see here, the body and the grip separates a little when modifying the give, unlike the Wii model I also review. And if some grip cover gets stuck in the middle, you'll not be able to adjust your give properly. This was the only negative I found for this machine, if you can call it negative after all. If you take your time and wrap it more carefully than me, might not even have this problem. The package contained the machine, kept in a small bag, a manual and an RCA cord, which in my opinion is not that good because the wire is really thin and fragile, and that I think will need replaced after a few working sessions. Low vibration and reduced heat generation can be achieved based to the nanotechnology motor. The integrated cam includes 3.5mm eccentric wheels, flexible drive pins and precision bearings, which make it perfect for soft shading and color packing. The compact shape and small size makes it great for longer tattoo session, and the weight distribution is good, so it feels just fine working with it longer hours. It has a soft hit, unlike the machines I've been working with lately. I work with it at 8 volts for shading and color packing and 9 for lining. I felt the 8 volts wasn't enough for a solid line. I use it for this color tattoo, which I think works even better than black and gray due to the soft hit, even though on the website it says that it's for shading, but maybe this is just the setting I like. The machine cost $169 and there's a $50 discount coupon available, so it just cost under $120. That makes it affordable, and combined with a good quality, makes a pretty good deal. If you want to get a decent tattoo machine that does the job and you don't want to spend too much money, I believe this could be the one. If you want to find more about CNC and their products, you can go on cnc.com. They have various machines, nice quality cartridge needles and more tattoo supplies. They have lot of discounts available, so if you want to buy something or you just want to find what offers that they have, you can have a look. It might be worth it. Thanks for joining and hopefully see you next time. Bye!